In the corporate world, hitting your KPI gets you a bonus. In the tax world, it gets you a penalty. If your household income crosses $242,000 married or $161,000 single, the IRS locks the front door to the Roth IRA. They tell you that you earn too much to have tax-free growth. I don't accept access denied. I look for a workaround. Today, I'm going to show you the Backdoor Roth IRA. It is the completely legal IRS approved patch that lets high earners pay zero taxes on their investment growth forever. First, we need to debug a massive misconception I get asked this constantly. Factor Dad, we file taxes jointly. My wife has a messy old traditional IRA. Does that ban me from doing a backdoor Roth? The answer is no. The IRS treats you as one unit when locking you out. That's the income limit, but as two separate people when tracking your IRAs. The form you file, Form 8606, is tied to your social security number, not your household. So even if your spouse has a messy IRA, as long as your personal IRA accounts are clean, meaning a $0 balance, you are clear to proceed. Her accounts don't poison yours. Let me know in the comments, does your spouse have an old IRA sitting around that's scaring you away from this strategy? Type yes or no down below. Think of the backdoor Roth like a system architecture. The Roth IRA is our production environment. That's where we want the capital to live because it's run tax-free, but the firewall blocks the direct uploads. So we use a staging environment called the Traditional IRA. Here is the transfer mechanism for 2026. Step 1. We make a non-deductible contribution to our Traditional IRA. For 2026, the limit is $7,500. We don't get a tax break on this today. We are using after-tax money. Step 2. We immediately convert that money to the Roth IRA. We already paid taxes on this cash when we earned it, and since it hasn't grown yet, the tax cost to move it is zero. Once it hits the Roth, it is inside the system. It grows tax-free, and it comes out tax-free. Before you log in and try this, stop. There is a critical bug called the Pro-Rata Rule. If you have legacy accounts, I'm talking about old rollover IRAs, SEP IRAs, or simple IRAs from previous jobs, this strategy will blow up in your face. The IRS looks at all your traditional IRAs as one big bucket. You cannot convert the new $7,500. If you have $90,000 sitting in an old rollover IRA, the IRS forces you to convert a percentage of that money too, and send you a tax bill for thousands of dollars. I have seen investors lose a massive chunk of their capital instantly because they ignore this slide. The fix: roll those legacy accounts into your current 401k before you attempt this. My account is clean, so I am green to go. Here is exactly how I deployed my 2026 capital. The upload, I transferred $7,500 from my checking to my traditional IRA. The wait, I waited 2 days for the funds to settle. Do not invest this money yet. Leave it as cash. The push, once settled, I selected transfer to Roth IRA. The verification, I clicked convert entire balance. Fidelity asked if I want to withhold taxes. I selected no. If you are taking notes, circle this in red. Never withhold taxes on a backdoor conversion. If you do, you trigger an immediate penalty. Now the cash is in my Roth. And what do I buy? I buy my engine. I split the capital between AVUV, the US small cap value, and AVDV for international. If this asset class delivers the premium I expect, say 10 or 12%, that compounds into a massive tax-free sum. And because I deploy it through the backdoor, the IRS gets 0% of it. This isn't tax evasion, it's tax engineering. If you are a higher earner, you're already paying the maximum on everything else. Don't volunteer to pay taxes on your retirement growth too. Next week, I'm releasing my full 2025 year-end performance review. I'll show you exactly how the Factor Dad portfolio handled the market last year, wins, losses, and dividends. If this video saved you from a pro-rata tax nightmare, do me a favor and smash the like button so the algorithm warn other investors too. Thanks for watching.